There was a lot of guesswork as to whether the legendary Honda S2000 Sports Roadster would return in 2025. With bated breath, many Honda customers await the 2025 model year, praying that the company would maintain or improve upon its stellar reputation for durability, longevity, innovation, and usability. The S2000's commitment to its heritage and embrace of technological advances have made it a reliable source of exciting rides for a long time. Customers will have the option to upgrade to a turbocharged engine in the S2000 in 2025. Compared to its normally aspirated predecessors, this game-changing engine uses less gas while producing greater power. Expect a wild ride because rumors say it will produce more than 315 horsepower. As a manufacturer that has always been committed to producing racing vehicles, Honda has made adjustments to the chassis and suspension to enhance handling and cornering. The 2025 S2000 has a design that combines modern and classic aspects, making it instantly identifiable. Following in the footsteps of the original S2000, this version maintains the tall hood and diminutive rear deck. After installing LED headlights, it will be significantly more aerodynamically efficient, smaller, and more stylish by 2025. Drivers may express themselves with the Roadster's fully customizable bodywork, which is available in a rainbow of colors. Honda has included every single one of today's conveniences and technological advances. You may kick back and enjoy the trip in this luxury vehicle with its high-quality materials, computerized instrument cluster, and touchscreen audio system. The comfort and level of support offered by the seat dictates its appropriateness for long-distance driving and racing. Despite its compact stature, Honda has accomplished an excellent job with the design of this little roadster, giving the impression of ample space and opulence. Installing Honda Sensing, a suite of state-of-the-art driver assist technologies, can significantly increase your vehicle's safety. It includes features including automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assistance. Modern safety equipment like this allows drivers to relax regardless of whether they're cruising along a freeway or a city street. The environmentally conscious and stylish 2025 Honda S2000 is a perfect example of the form follows function design approach. Honda prioritized fuel efficiency and used lightweight materials to reduce the model's impact on the environment. The S2000's turbocharged engine should maintain its thrilling acceleration and nimble handling while yet satisfying even the most stringent pollution regulations. Even though we don't know the exact pricing just yet, we can expect the 2025 Honda S2000 to be competitive with other high-end sports cars in its class. At around $50,000, it's a great choice if you're seeking a premium alternative that combines affordability with outstanding performance. The renowned reliability and meticulous craftsmanship of Honda will drive this automobile to sell like hotcakes. According to all indications, the 2025 Honda S2000 maintains the high quality set by its predecessors. This is an upgrade over the original as it keeps the best features and adds new ones that drivers love. This next-gen Roadster is ideal for longtime S2000 owners in terms of performance, style, and speed.
Thanks for watching.